In this video, we will learn how to bring the focus of your audience towards the message that you want to convey. Consider this scenario. Suppose your friend John, who is the head of noise control department in an automobile company, has collected customer feedback regarding the latest vehicle launched by the company. Amongst the issues that he has identified, there are three major issues related to noise, and these issues will be handled by his department. So what is the best way of communicating these results with the help of charts? So the basic chart that John created looks like this. So these are the top 10 design concerns that John identified basis customer feedback. And corresponding to each concern is the score of that concern, that is how many customers rated against this particular problem. So as you can see, engine power is less than expected is one of the top concerns with a score of 12.9. But out of these 10 concerns, only 3 are related to John's department. And if this is the graph John presents, he will have to highlight each of these 3 particular concerns by using a pointer or maybe pointing it out verbally during presentation. So clearly this graph is not conveying the message which it was supposed to convey in an effective way. What we can do to counter this problem is we can draw this same horizontal graph using this coloring format. First of all, these 3 concerns have been grayed out since these are least important, and we have a threshold of 10 to take any action against any particular concern. So John has colored these 3 concerns as light gray so that we do not need to focus on these 3. Now out of the rest 7 remaining, he has highlighted these 3 particular ones which are related to his department, and these 4 have a dull color, which means that he wants to bring focus towards these 3 which belong to his department. So clearly if you look at this graph, the first thing you will focus on is these 3 parameters. After that, a viewer will look at these other 4 concerns which are important but does not belong to the department headed by John. And then the least important ones have been graded, and these will draw the least attention. So let's just compare these 2 graphs. In this graph, the message was not highlighted. It was not clear what the audience should look at. And in the next one, it is clearly highlighted that the audience should start with these 3 concerns and should pay the least focus on these 3. So using a coloring format, you can emphasize the message that you want to convey.